all the churning random hearts under the sun, eventually fading into night. These two are opening now as we lie. I touch you, wonderful alive. Girl, if you're a seascape, I'm a listing boat, for the thing carries every hope. I invest in a single life. The choice is yours to be loved. Come away from it, empty your butts. 'Cause when that dead moon rises again, you know time to start a protocol to hammer singing. And when the dog slides underneath the train, there's no buyer used to searching for the mud-sweet men. There are consequences side, and the chillest part of you set right. Of all the intersecting lines in the sand, I routed a labyrinth to your life. I never used a map, sliding off the land on an incidental tide. And along the way, you know, they tried. We got the sea legs and we're off tonight. Can I back to which they've no right? You belong to a simpler time. I'm a victim to the impact of these words. And this rhyme is when that dead moon rises again. Been no time to start a protocol to hammer singing. Got it when the dog slides, open the door and where she go. There's no time used to searching for the mud-sweet men. Throw all consequences aside, and that chillest part you'll be setting